I am Tennille Hodge, Director of Cape Tools in Woodstock, Cape Town. Cool tools for creative people, a business that's warped over the years and been molded more towards different industries, not just the jewelry industry, and adopting a little bit of technology. We like giving people solutions to their problems. Problems can be manpower, being able to get the quality finish that they need on an item, being able to get precision into hard to reach areas, being able to deal with different metals, with different machinery.
So my name is Tom. I am the sales rep here at Cape Tools, so I'm in charge of all outgoing sales. We're really excited to move into new industries. I'd say that's one of the most exciting conversations I've had since I've been here with Tennille and the other directors.
So my name is Genevieve and I'm the process manager here at Cape Tools. Best part about my job, learning something new every day. I feel like with the variety of items that we sell, there's always something that I learn.
The tools that we're providing, the machines that we're providing there's so many uses, multi-use, and I think the way that the world is becoming connected and industries are becoming connected nowadays means that we can honestly offer quite a unique base of advice for a lot of people. Engineering, aerospace, dental, etc., they all link up in a certain way. Being
a goldsmith myself and still in the trade gives me a slightly different perspective as to what solutions and what we're able to help our customers with. There's never a one size fits all. It's tailor-making a package for you over your decades of having your business and finding the right solutions together.
So at Cape Tools, we've got obviously 60 years of history, heritage in Cape Town. I think this is now really the new age for us. And the big thing that's exciting me is that new layer that I can add on. Offering all these new methods, all this new sort of technology through artificial intelligence and other software tools really means that I think we can bring Cape Tools into a new age, essentially.